Okay. Go ahead, start.
It has been starting.
No, crap. Okay. Mom. I was born with a mommy and a daddy. The birds and the bees and the walnuts and the coconut trees. Okay. They fell in love. And now they're divorced because they couldn't seem to get along. But you know what? That's okay because I get 2 Christmas presents. So, I'm proud of you, parents. Dan, my mom's boyfriend now. He is very strict and he's a country bumpkin, but you know what? I love him anyways. Okay. Gay means happy. Or the other term means you like guys, which is okay because, no, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, you know what the point. Okay, next one. Guys are very interesting. Women only need them to produce babies. Okay, Stan, again. Paul is my brother. He has blonde hair and looks exactly like me. His best friend is Lee Montgomery, and Lee is Indian. He comes from India. Please, stop laughing. Gugly is not a word. This is Paige's neighbor. She is in love with Song.
Okay, bye.
Song is a song. Fake. I am fake. Bye.